Thank you, Mr. Chairman,
Professor
colleagues.
Akutuzo.
Obaje Godwin Sunday is my name from the Department of Anatomy, Faculty of Basic Medical Sciences, Alesikweme Federal University, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Adolescents and adults have been engaging social media according to a work of Shapiro in 2014. There are psychological implications, both positively and negatively, in relation to social media. Panayotu in 2023 have also documented that there are specific factors that relate to social media, especially age, sex, and number of hours spent. Statement of this problem has to do with the fact that we are seeing it in the department and the Faculty of Basic Medical Sciences, the rate at which social media by physical presentations has related to, in relation to results of our students. Justification. This study is to address the knowledge gap between what is already established and what we stand to gain from this study. The aim of the study is actually to investigate the relationship between the age, sex, social media usage patterns, and its behavioral relationship to the students in the university. The objectives are examine the social media usage in relation to sex, age, and preferences. The scope is actually within the students on campus that are studying in the 2023-2024 academic session. The research hypothesis is to predict social media in relation to age, gender prediction to social media, and preferences to age-sex relation. The materials we've used for this work is the survey questionnaire, the information sheet, the social media assessment tool, the Python for statistical analysis. The methodology involved in this work has to do with the work of cross-sectional survey design. The participants are adults, adolescents. The sampling technique is random. The data collection will also apply online survey collection to get their demographics. The descriptive statistics apply descriptive, the data analysis apply descriptive statistics where we described their relationship based on applications. We also apply chi-square to understand the categorical data analysis. We apply correlation to investigate age-sex relationship in social media platforms. Then we also go further to look at what point does prediction occur and presenting their models. Again, we look at the demographics. So let me go to results. My results shows that the first table shows the demographics, where we have the number of males of 127 participants, which is at 42.3%. The number of females, 173. And the age bracket is student averagely at 21.02 plus or minus 2.24. The behavioral patterns of this survey has to do with at what point do you mostly use social media for, one, keeping in touch with friends. Keeping in touch with friends has been consistent in choosing the variables in relations to timing. And it has shown in this table that 99 subjects used the social media at that present time to keep in touch with their parents, they follow news, entertainment. The other one that is of great importance has to do with the one that has to do with entertainment. We discovered that a larger portion of these students are using the social media at just about 6 of them, about 2%, only for something that has to do with research. Most of their responses have to do with the fact that the application of social media was in relation to the preferences as I proceed to the next table. They also have the number of hours spent on social media, averagely about 7.94, that is about 7 hours spent. Then the time of use at night, 170 of our students were online, that is about 56.7%. Daytime, 130 of them were online, about 43%. So we use the Python clock board to look at what point with the future, with each of the available feature to be important in relation to the time of use, the gender, age, and the hours spent. And we discovered that at 0.645%, which is the predictive model, has presented them to spend more time in social media, especially at night, than the daytime. The social media preference, we also have seen that in this study, our students, about 35.7% of them, have used WhatsApp as their platform. All right, conclusion. WhatsApp was the most preferred platform, and the gender-specific relationship with social media cannot be overemphasized. It's also multidisciplinary. There is the area of anatomy that has to do with medical education. In fact, the teaching tools have been designed to how best anatomy can present her education in relation to these tools. And social media platforms are also part of it. So this area is on medical education, which is a subunit of anatomy. Just like we have so many areas like forensic science, like biological anthropology, like cephalometric investigations. All of these are subdivisions of anatomy, Prof. Thank you.
Okay. See, why I'm asking is this. If you are going to be a professor of anatomy and you begin to get your papers together for external assessment, you will see some of these assessors question your focus vis-a-vis where you are, your department. If you are seeing papers in education, and very little of anatomy, you may be may have a problem. So, what have you really shown? Let's see your results again.
Thank you, Prof.
What have you found? What have you found? Let me see it again. Can we see it again?
Okay.
Fast. Who is controlling this?
Okay. Results, please. Thank you.
What has the presenter found?
Result, please. Go to table 3. Yes. Table 3.
Tell us your conclusion. Give us conclusion.
Okay. WhatsApp was the most preferred platform, and gender was a significant predictor of social media behaviors. Look at it here.
Okay.
Here, WhatsApp was one of the most preferred platforms. That is table 2, please. Table 2.
Co-chair says we can ask questions when all of the presenters have finished for the day. It's okay. Is that accepted? Okay, good. Thank you. Next presenter. Thank you for coming all the way from Abakaliki. Thank you. I didn't know that we are so far reaching. Well done. All the way from Ebonyi State.
Thank you, Prof. Okay. Prof, can I say something, sir?
Say something.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes.
I saw this advert on social media.
I see.
And then I sent my paper, and I'm here now.
Yes.
So I'm happy. This is my first time coming to Calabar. I used to hear Calabar, okay. Unical.
Okay.
I'm a product of Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria.
Okay.
And I'm happy to be here, Prof.
Okay.
Thank you for the opportunity given me.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome.